Today, individuals, business leaders, and governments the world over depend on a select group of companies to discover, develop, and apply the very latest technologies. Useful technologies designed to improve efficiencies and make the world in which they operate a better, more productive, more comfortable place to be. In the case of long-range, large-cabin business jets, one company has set the standard for technological innovation for more than 40 years. That company is Gulfstream.
Gulfstream's ongoing development of useful technology is what really separates Gulfstream from its competition. Gulfstream is a winner. It is a business that is well run, intelligently managed, with good products and services, talented and motivated employees. Our intention is to focus General Dynamics resources on strengthening Gulfstream's competitive position. We believe this affiliation will ring in a new era for corporate aviation and further establish Gulfstream as the preeminent leader in technological advancement.
Well, the future of business aviation is an exciting one, and Gulfstream has a leadership position in that future. Useful technology takes the requirement for safety, reliability, ease of operation, and precision, and applies the right devices and the right systems. Technological advances in the Gulfstream airplanes, there are many. There's enhanced vision system, maintenance data acquisition unit. They're the onboard diagnostics, the office in the sky with satellite communications, the flight control system with manual reversion, a simple fuel system, and the wing, which is a beautiful blend of advanced aerodynamics and simplicity. Very simple, very dependable, very maintainable worldwide, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
It has been called the single most significant technological achievement in aviation safety. Gulfstream's enhanced vision system. Clearly the most dramatic new development in business aviation.
You can see any of the items that normally would not be visible in a dark or a low visibility situation. This is the first true improvement to the instrument landing system since 1929. Jimmy Doolittle made the first blind approach in the late 1920s, and we're still flying the same instrument landing systems, the same radios, with the same type of approaches. Well, the EVS system involves several components, and one of the components is an infrared camera. The other component is a heads-up display, and there's a lot of computers and processing in between. But essentially, the infrared sensor takes outside heat and light energy and produces a real-world image overlaid on this heads-up display right in front of the pilot's face. There's been people attempting to do this for the last 35 years, but no one to date has managed to bring one of these things to certification. But Gulfstream's going to do that, and we're doing that this year.
Using NASA wing code technology, Gulfstream's scientists and engineers have created perhaps the best wing ever developed for business aviation.
The wing was developed using state-of-the-art fluid dynamic codes. The G5 boasts a relatively large wing. Technology that was used on the wing produced an aircraft which has an excellent flight envelope. From the high-speed side, we have one of the highest maximum operating speeds, above 35,000 feet. On the low-speed side, excellent stall characteristics, and it's an easy aircraft to land. The wing meets its design requirements and in some cases exceeds the requirements.
The Gulfstream cabin. Business aviation's most comfortable, most productive environment, allowing passengers to arrive refreshed and ready for business.
It's more relaxing, it's more comfortable for the passenger. Our goal with the G5 cabin was to produce a new standard in passenger comfort and passenger effectiveness. For the environmental control system, we've utilized dual digital control technology. The introduction of that technology means the cabin pressure and the cabin temperature can be controlled much more accurately for the comfort of the passenger. We utilize a 6,000-foot maximum altitude in the cabin. What that means to the traveler is he gets off the airplane, he's less fatigued, he's ready to go. And we've retained the oval windows. They admit a lot of natural light, much more light than other aircraft windows. Others use recirculation to achieve aircraft performance. We utilize 100% fresh air. We do not recirculate air. We don't punish the passenger to achieve airplane performance. This is a great cabin. This is the best cabin in the business.
At Gulfstream, maximizing passenger safety, comfort, and productivity has been the ultimate goal of every technological advancement we have ever undertaken.
I don't believe there is another airplane in the G5 class. It truly is a technology that works in this wing and in the power and the fuel economy and the avionics. Technology is no good to you unless it does something for you. And this airplane does something for you. It's so much more airplane than what I expected to get when I bought it. It is truly a piece of equipment that'll make you feel good about yourself. And if you don't believe it, go buy one.
The future of business aviation is an exciting one. It will be more fast-paced. It'll be a more sophisticated operating environment. Our challenge at Gulfstream as the leader is to make sure that our products and our services can keep that pace, and they will, and can operate in that sophisticated environment, and they can.
Gulfstream has always been the leader in business aircraft. I can assure you that it will stay number one with innovations in reliability, safety, comfort, and performance.
For more than 40 years, Gulfstream has led a technological revolution in the aviation industry, quietly amassing more firsts, more innovations, and more technical breakthroughs than any other company by far. Technical innovations which have set the world standard for our industry. Technical achievements which have made our owners safer, more comfortable, more productive, and ultimately more successful. Day in, day out, around the clock, around the world. At Gulfstream, we're developing technology that works for you.